If your garbage disposal is jammed, you've come to the right place. I can show you how to fix it in about 1 minute. What you're gonna need is a garbage disposal wrench, it looks like this, or a 1/4-inch Allen wrench. And let me show you what it looks like underneath the garbage disposal and what you need to do. Make sure the switch for the garbage disposal is turned off. Take that garbage disposal wrench or the Allen wrench, and right in the center of the bottom of the garbage disposal, there's a little hole. You put that wrench up in there, twist it back and forth a couple of times, and that's all it takes to free up a jammed garbage disposal. So that's all there is to it. It's that simple to fix a jammed garbage disposal. I really appreciate you watching. I hope it's been helpful to you. Thank you. Have a great day.